I'm in LA. I was gonna vlog my drive in, but then there was a winter storm and it was scary. But I'm going to a TikTok women's conference event. Rue was nice enough to let me chill at her place. And this is the outfit plus jacket because it's very windy. I have an hour of drive. Did not miss Los Angeles. Let's go. The hardest part is always finding parking. I made it. It's cold. I made some friends too. That's nice. Oh, how cute. Thank you. Love it. Thanks. I went. You did the photos? Yes, good. I was like, just real quick. Don't like this man. Don't like. Of course I wanted tacos.
Hey, how are you?
Hey, I'm good. Can I get dos de asada, please?
Claro que sí.
Gracias.
Of our community, without every soul of our platform, we would not be.
All right. I spent a whole hour there, so props to me, and I made 2 whole friends. Successful night, and now I'm gonna go work out with Rue, which is realistically gonna be the better portion of my night. Sorry, not quite sorry, but also thanks TikTok for having this event and for giving me free things. Thank you. I got it from Kohl's.
I was ready to get to TikTok shop.
The pants are from TikTok shop, and so is my jacket. It works? Yes. Look at her. Look at her go. When you and your friend work out together at different levels. Rue is attempting 275 for an RDL. Are you kidding me? Rep that shit.
Alright guys, get ready.
For
This is your last warm-up set.
my last warm up. What's the working set? Hold on.
Like, easy. Four. Come on. There you go. Cut it. Okay, beautiful. Come on.
Dingies were about to
Load it up.
She said load it up. Load it up to what? She put a whole ass plate on there. What the hell? Whole plate.
Let's go, come on. Side weight. Come on. Tight core. Strong. There you go. Easy. Come on, baby, come on. Yep, come on. Core, come on. Stay tight. Come on now. Yep. Come on. There you go. And drop. Good job. Good job. That was so nice. Where'd you feel it?
My hammies.
Hell yeah.
Rue's over here. Got me trying a bunch of new machines. This machine. I'm gonna do like 5 pounds. 5 pounds on that. And my buns burn so bad. Rue's putting in work. Don't fall on me now. Birds. Ugh. That's hard. Successful workout. It's good stuff. That was a fun little day trip weekend. I'm headed home. Some traffic, but it's not bad. Thank you again, TikTok, and thank you again to my friend Rue. She always lets me crash at her place, and she does have the most comfortable couch, and I will live and die on that hill. Okay, bye-bye.